Welcome to That's Greek to Me. And our word for today is paradosis. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. And our word for today is paradosis. In English, it means tradition, a handing on, paradosis. It refers to the faithful transmission of teaching from one generation to the next. And from this same root, we also get the word parade, which shows something being carried along or passed in order. And both remind us that faith, it's not static. It moves, it flows, it is handed on. In 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 15, St. Paul writes, "Stand firm and hold fast to the traditions you were taught, either by an oral statement or by a letter of ours." For the early church, tradition was not simply a set of customs. It was the living faith passed on through word, witness, and example. There's another passage, 1 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 23. It shows Paul saying, "I received from the Lord what I also handed on to you." Here, tradition is directly tied to the Eucharist. So, tinanggap niya mula sa Panginoon, tapos pinasa niya ito. It's the very heart of Christian life, itong Eucharist, and that was handed on. And this reveals that paradosis, it's not a dead repetition, but it's a living current of grace. For us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It reminds us that we are heirs of a gift. Tinanggap natin itong handog na ito. We're not inventors of our own faith. We receive it, we live it, and are called to hand it on. Diba? Tradition. The challenge is this. Do we simply keep traditions as rituals, or do we embody them as living witnesses of Christ's love? Friends, our faith is received, lived, and handed on. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.